Hello, my name is Caitlin, and welcome to Country Kitchen Sweethearts channel. We are a locally owned baking supply store where you can find products and ingredients for candy making, cakes, cookies, and more. In this video, I will be decorating sugar cookies with royal icing. These cookies were cut out using our 3D printed cookie cutters that you can find on our website or in our store. Be sure to check out the link in our description for all of our cookie cutter designs. Continue watching this video to learn how we decorated these cookies with royal icing. Let's get started. Start by outlining the Nutcracker's face, hair, and hat with flood consistency royal icing. Set this cookie to the side for 5 minutes to allow the outline to set up. Next, flood the face and top of hat sections and use a scribe tool to smooth the icing. Allow these sections to set up for 20 minutes at room temperature or 10 minutes in a dehydrator. Once the icing has crusted over, flood the remaining sections and smooth with a scribe tool. Set this cookie aside to dry at room temperature for 30 minutes or in a dehydrator for 15 minutes. Next, pipe a small rectangle in the center of the face for a nose and the eyebrows with flood consistency icing. Use medium consistency icing to pipe 2 connecting dots on the hat. Add the eye details with a black fine point edible marker. Pipe the outline of the mustache with the medium royal icing and fill in with flood icing. Allow this icing to set up at room temperature until completely dry or in a dehydrator for 15 minutes. To decorate the middle section of this cookie set, start by outlining each section with flood consistency icing. Add zigzags to any small sections to help prevent craters later on. Flood the shoulder, arm cuff, and center of jacket with flood icing and use a scribe tool to smooth the icing. Allow this icing to set up at room temperature for 20 minutes or 10 minutes in a dehydrator. Once those sections have crusted over, flood the arms, hands, and outer jacket sections. Set this cookie aside at room temperature or in a dehydrator following the same times previously used. Then, flood the belt section and pipe small dots along the intersection of the jacket. Connect the dots with curved lines and repeat these steps for the bottom section of the jacket. Pipe details under the shoulder section, then allow the icing to dry. Outline the belt buckle with medium consistency icing and fill in with flood consistency. Then use a scribe tool to smooth. Allow this cookie to dry completely at room temperature or in a dehydrator for 15 minutes. To decorate the leg section of this cookie set, start by outlining the pants and sections of the boots with flood icing. Set this cookie to the side to allow the outline to set up at room temperature. Flood the pants and boot section with flood icing and allow them to set up at room temperature or in a dehydrator. Once those sections have crusted over, fill in the remaining sections and allow them to set up. Pipe the dots and crossed lines on the boots using medium consistency royal icing. Next, mix a gold luster dust with a clear grain alcohol, such as Everclear, to make a paint. Paint the details on the hat with this gold paint for the first section. For the middle section, paint the shoulders, buckle, and small details on the jacket. Be sure to use a small paintbrush for these areas to achieve clean paint lines. Paint the details on the boots with this gold paint. Once all of the Nutcracker pieces are decorated, spray them with a white edible jewel dust if desired. To decorate the presents, start by outlining the present and bow sections with your desired color of flood consistency icing. Allow the outline to set up at room temperature for 5 minutes, then flood the present section and smooth with a scribe tool. Set this cookie aside at room temperature or in a dehydrator using the previous times. Once the icing has crusted over, pipe the gift tag outline with medium consistency icing and fill in with flood icing. After adding the gift tag, outline every other bow for the top section. Allow this icing to set up at room temperature or in a dehydrator. Once the first sections have set up, pipe the remaining bow outlines. On the first 2 bow outlines, pipe a straight line from the point to the rounded area, then fill in with flood icing. Pipe the bow ribbon lines on the gift section and flood the horizontal section first and allow it to dry.
Once dry, repeat the previous steps for the remaining bow and ribbon sections. To finish these present cookies, pipe a line with medium consistency icing from the gift tag hole to the corner where the ribbons meet. Write Merry Christmas or your desired message on the tag section, making sure the icing is completely set before writing. Allow all of your cookies to set up completely overnight before packaging.
Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to our channel and give this video a like. Your support will help us grow our channel and create more videos you will enjoy. Be sure to leave us a comment down below letting us know if you enjoyed this video and if you have purchased any of our 3D printed cookie cutters. Also, be sure to leave any questions down below. And if you would like to see more videos like this one, check out our Royal Icing Decorated Cookies playlist on our channel. Stay updated on our newest products by visiting our website and clicking on the new tab. You can also see our new products and our video reels by following us on Facebook and Instagram. Check out the description box below for all of our social media links. We love to see what you create and how you use products from our store, so be sure to tag us in your posts. Thanks again for watching. See you next time.